extremely windy. There's no one here. It's February the 29th. So happy birthday to all the leap year children. Meir Lumrik. Swanjima. So it's extremely windy. It's February the 29th, leap year, leap day. And we had incredibly strong 90 kilometer per hour winds. And I'm not going to get too close to the water because I'm getting blown around. And they've been repairing the cables here. I think it's the internet because it was Bell. And I saw the guys yesterday putting up the cable flux capacitor thing over there. You can see there's a wire there. It's fallen into the river. Sorry if it's shaky and windy. I could actually probably stand behind a tree and get a little less wind. There we go. I'm wearing a lot of winter clothing and a mask and a hat. It is freezing and incredibly windy. More at the 7 o'clock BG News. Wow, it's windy. The winds are still around 90 kilometers per hour. This is Base Guy reporting to duty. The frozen forehead. Hey, Frankie MacDonald. Shout out to my good pal Frankie MacDonald in Sydney, Nova Scotia. It is extremely windy outside. Extremely windy. Don't bring out an umbrella or your umbrella will fall inside out and fly away. Extremely windy and cold here, Frankie. The wires have fallen off the bridge. It's extremely cold currently where I am right now. Hope you're doing well. Sky of the Universe, Stefan, Slovakia, John, Miami, Christine, Jay Neubauer, anybody that watches a Bass Guy show. Okay, this wind currently feels like 90 kilometers an hour. Extremely windy. I'm hiding behind a tree. It's blowing me around. I can only wait so long for a tree. A tree? I can only wait so long for a train, Larry. windy. Okay, gotta go. It's extremely windy. I can hardly feel my fingers. Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy this video? Then click on the speaker here to subscribe. Click on the bass guitar to check out my website. Tons of free stuff. Click down here for a video or something. Okay, Larry, I want my 10 grand now.